We're in the Rocky Mountains of Westcliff, Colorado, at a ranch cabin that sits on one of the most beautiful properties we have ever seen. Let's take a tour and stay here tonight.
Starting out on the front porch of this Airbnb, you have panoramic views of the Rocky Mountains, and it is a sight to see. You also have a little chair and table, a swing, and an outdoor couch with a propane fireplace for maximum enjoyment of these views. Let's go inside. Inside, this cabin is rustic and natural with wood paneling and exposed beams, which I know Hayden loves.
Love it.
Off to this side, they have floor-to-ceiling windows to enjoy that view of the Rockies with a comfortable queen bed and 2 leather chairs perfectly placed for that view that you can also turn around to enjoy this double-sided fireplace. Right here is a mini bar with snacks and drinks, and a touch we haven't seen before is the host left a full pitcher of water with a couple of glasses to enjoy right when you arrive. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please like it and comment below what your favorite part of this cabin is. Off to the side is the dining room area with a live edge slab that is gorgeous. And then this is the kitchen all along this end with windows that you can see the Rocky Mountains out of, so you can see them almost out of every angle of this house. They have all your main appliances and some coffee, so I'm excited about that. And then over here, they actually have a little bar with some stools and mirrors because this is actually also a wedding venue on the weekends, which we'll tell you more about later. But let's check out the bathroom. By the way, if you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb and you would like us to feature your place on our page, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. We would love to work with you. Before we get to the bathroom, they have a little cabinet for guests that has lots of plates and bowls and cups. And then they also have laundry, so if you're here for an extended period of time, that's a bonus. And then this large sliding barn door leads you to your bright and elegant bathroom with a double vanity and tub with some provided bubble bath. So excited to slip into that later. Also, this cabin sits at over 8,500 feet in elevation, so it stays nice and cool year round. So they actually don't even need any air conditioning because they keep the windows open on each side, and you have that nice mountain breeze that comes through here and keeps it super cool. And then they have heat for the winter. Now Hayden is going to tell you a little bit about the wedding venue.
This wedding venue is one of the most beautiful places I think we have ever seen. Not only do you have the Rocky Mountains as a backdrop to your ceremony, but you have them out the front as well. There are 3 cabins on the property, including the one that we just showed you as an Airbnb, that are perfect for all of your family and friends that need a place to stay while they're here. And then also the big reception barn with a beautiful outdoor area. Both areas perfect for dancing, enjoying a meal, and celebration. If you're interested in this wedding venue for yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. And if you want to book the Airbnb, we will leave a link in the description for that as well.
Is that sunset not amazing? I grabbed us some local food, babe. Bon appetit.
So there's a town about 15 minutes away. It's got multiple restaurants, so it's perfect to grab some food, bring it back here. We went to Chappie's. It's a good burger and good fries.
I love how the temperature has cooled off tonight, and so it is so enjoyable to sit out here with that breeze. The moon is out, and I just love hanging out in this little spot with you, Hayden.
All right, we ready for a game?
Yes, I am picking one out right now.
Okay.
So we have some options from the hosts.
Okay.
A little bit of Scrabble. How's that sound?
Sounds good to me. Boom.
Wow.
Pretty good start.
I'm impressed. Holy cow. Look at this genius. Doing pretty good.
Pretty good. So you got 26. Shoot. 26 with 3 letters.
So who's winning now?
I still am. 72 to 67.
A few minutes later.
Winner!
I am the winner.
Good job, babe.
It's really just because we're so tired that we don't want to finish the game.
I think it's time for us to go.
I think it's time for bed. Faux show. Being in Westcliff, we're not too far from the Great Sand Dunes National Park. So, we are headed there today to not only see the tallest dunes in North America, but also we're gonna rent sleds to ride down the dunes and backpack out into them to stay the night. So be sure to check out that video, and if you stay here at the Three Peaks Ranch Cabin, it's the perfect spot to add to your itinerary.
Before we go and get caked in sand at the dunes, I'm gonna do one last luxurious thing.